I've got is a gym. He's had this lock fitted. I'm going to fit it upside down, so unfortunately I have to do the same thing, but it's all surface mounted. It's rubbing on the frame there. I have to chop the keep in there somehow, but I'm going to do that. That's definitely got to be set in. I'm going to have to do both sides, so yeah, I'll do a progression of how I'm getting on with it. Yeah, catch you in a bit. Right. Got to lock out the door. That's all out. There's a wiring on it. Yeah. Look at that. How shabby is that? Anyway, that's how we get on from there. Not a lot I can do with that except plate it out. It's knackered. Got this on. Looking a lot better. At least it's sunk in. I mean, it's not the best cutting in because it was pretty knackered already. But yeah, that's in. Yeah, that's how it goes.